manual tool. I just solved it with 2 magnets, so this is so easy. I would not recommend it for the daily usage, okay, because this is too unprecise. But even with the 2 magnets, you can do this. I just come a little bit too near. So this is a spray gun from Kreuzberger, a normal one, and you can just simply pick it with the magnets. We have in our tool the capability to save all of the recorded manual tools, which I show you right now. So I start my program again.
Yes.
And here I just have to go into the options menu, and I can select all of the pre-recorded stuff. This is the Kreuzberger spray gun.
Okay, can I
Sure,
create
sure.
the record?
Sure, yeah.
So I have to push the button?
Yeah.
Also where it's spray and where it's not spray?
Actually, with this one, this will not work. So you have to go to this button, please.
This one in the front?
Yeah, this one in the front. So what you will have to do at the very beginning, you're just coming with the middle of the spray gun to here. You just press this button.
Oh, I don't see it.
Never mind. This will be a little bit inaccurate, but never mind. So wait a second, I just started. So right now, please come to the origin and then...
I press the button?
Yeah, press the button. Come to the X, press the button.
Press the button.
Come to the Y, press the button. Exactly, and come back to the origin, please, and press the button again.
This is a pre-pose?
Yeah, come back to
this
here.
one.
Yeah.
This one again.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so this was a little bit inaccurate. I think you just press the button in between. Yeah, we have 350 millimeters inaccuracy in between.
Okay.
Never mind. We just test it. Okay, we just test it. So I just I just press you the toggle path track, and then you can move. You should, don't press anything. I'll just do this for you.
Okay.
And right now you can spray. Okay.
Okay.
So we just check this out if it works.
So I can lay it back?
Yeah, you can lay it back.
Okay.
I'm not sure. It just seems to be crashing. But never mind, because we already have the recording. So this is what you recorded.
Yes.
We will test it very slowly. Because
I make the record.
No. I guess that we will just hit the desk, but we will test this out. Okay.
Okay.
We just take a quick test on this. So send the robot program. Okay. I just read it in. But to be very fair and honest, this was the very first time that you used this tool with an external manual tool, okay?
Yes, I didn't use it any time before. We have seen us a few years ago.
Exactly.
But that was at a pub.
That's true. Where should we talk about robotics if not in a pub?
Yes.
Okay.
Crazy guys talking about robots in a pub.
Okay, so the little bit strange position of the processing head is really depending on this accuracy, which we just have seen at the very beginning. But you can see that the hand movement of yours is exactly followed by the robot. Mm-hmm. So even with this approximately 30 centimeters inaccuracy, what we just captured it with this trial, it doesn't disturb on this for a spraying process that you can get exceptional results. If you have a little bit exercise with the tool, then you are really coming regularly to 3 up to 5 millimeters, which is more than enough to complete any kind of spray jobs.
But we want to show a real use case, and so I didn't try it before.
And this was a good point as well. This happens at our customers sometimes as well, that the recording is running, and you are just coming into a position where the robot will crash on itself. I've seen on the screen at the simulation that this will happen, so we have a collision detection as well. But I didn't want to show this directly here on the screen, because then we can't move on quite quickly. But I think that's fine, because then we have seen, okay, even though this is a Cobot, so it stopped. We didn't hurt anything. We didn't crash anything. Right now, for sure, we just have to restart the Cobot again, and then we are ready to go. Yeah?
Yes. I was phoned with a friend of mine with a robot palletation. He had created a crash, €5,000 again.
Yeah.
So Cobot is something else.
Yeah. This can happen. So, but basically, I think you get the idea. How about is this? I think this is very important to mention, especially at this English language webinar. Right now, we are just demonstrating on the CS series, but we tested several times on the EC series, and it works exactly the same good way. So EC, CS series from Elite, but all of the devices are 100% supported. As you have very good programmers, there are always some additional new features on the post-processor, on the driver, so you get always new features as well. Maybe one stuff which might be interesting for some visitors or attendees, you can even record the speed of the movements if you want. And afterwards, as I have already shown you, you can one by one change any kind of parameter, waypoints, speed, anything what you want. You can change afterwards once you are not satisfied. So in this case, this would be the stop point, and then we just not crash at every new workpiece.